I'm not suffering from the mental health issues that I was suffering from. But the first step of it was asking for help. And for me, asking for help was going to the VA hospital, swallowing my pride, and saying, look, I need help. I don't know what's going on. Now, that doesn't mean that first step got me all the way to where I am now. It was transitional steps, progressively moving. It was progressively realizing towards my worthy idea. I wanted to have a clear mind. I wanted to be able to talk to people without feeling crazy. I wanted to be able to be in public without feeling like I had to kill someone because I'm thinking I'm still in war. And anything that you take from this, anything you take from this video, take this, yo. Stop selling yourself short. You have immense power within you. You have God power within you. There is nothing in this world that you cannot do if you truly put your mind to it. And you just need to fall in love with that thing that you want to become. I couldn't have dreamed when I first asked for help the person I am today. I had no clue I could become this far.